All right, A-team, we're all wrapped up, me and Elijah, here getting it done, doing this soft wash. So you see here, we did this whole side, all sides of it. Let's go over to this side right here. This house is reportedly 2,100 square feet. So here we got right here, the front of the house. We did all the way from the up there under the eaves and overhangs, the very top, all right there, all down here. Got the side here. It's kind of hard to see the side. We did the whole side of the house too. We'll be walking back there, all the way at the very top up there. All this whole side right here. Okay, let's take a look underneath the porch area. Remember, we had mud divers, cobwebs, spider webs. We can now remove this out of the way. We wanted to protect this so no water got on their thing here. All right, so here's what we have here. Here's the porch area looking up and around, clean, the supreme clean. All right, all the way in the cracks and the crevices down there as well, looking this way. All right, at the very top up there, you can't see it, I didn't record it, but right in that corner right there had mud cadavers and stuff like that. We cleaned all that up as well. Got all of this nice and clean as well. Up underneath this, I guess you would call this an overhang, this side patio right here. And got all this all clean. Cleaned all the way from the very top up under those eaves, under those overhangs, all up under the overhangs in here on the first level. Take a look at this side right here. From the very top, all the way down. So if you look under there, let that focus a little bit. Okay. Got all of this all cleaned up and washed. So all the dust and debris is ready for its fresh coat of paint now. And as you see here, this whole side right here, even all the way up the top up there, all that we were able to hit all the way over that ridge cap up there and get this whole side when we did this back side here. It's looking really clean. No more cobwebs or spider webs or anything. All right, all the way from the top up there under the what you call the eaves and overhangs underneath there. Got all that. No more spider webs and stuff like that. All the way to the very the peak up there. Fascia board going to the left and then to the right. Got all under here as well, as you can see, nice and clean. Let's take a look. Look at that. Remember, it was cobwebs. You remember the before. Now here's the after. Everything's all cleaned up, looking nice, ready for their fresh coat of paint. All right. And here's this side. This side right here. This is what we would call, I would say, this is like a northwest face plane right here. So the rest of it's just drying. We got all the way up to that top up there, all the way down. So that's 2.5 stories. No problem shooting up there with the M5 twist. And then we walk our way down here. All right. Got all of those. Everything all cleaned up. Remember what they looked like before? They're all black and kind of dirty there. So this side is shaded a little bit. So as you can see, there's the supreme clean. Under the eaves, overhangs, everything all clean. And the very top up there as well. Look at that. Everything all spick and span, uniform. So it's ready for their fresh paint. So again, if you're in the need of exterior cleaning, soft wash, roof soft wash, house soft wash, visit us online at allterraine.com for the supreme clean. We'll love to assist you. Thank you. Have a great day, everyone. Catch you in the next video.